drain box going in right there, and we're gonna bury that Y underground also on the outside of the wall. We're gonna bring the level up of the gravel and the 89 stone to install the travertine at the correct height. It had settled because the foundation base wasn't correct, and it didn't have a drain in it also. So I'm gonna put the drain in right there where that hole is and put everything back together tomorrow. That's how much sand I'm taking out, and just some of the gravel I'm going back with right here. You got a bunch of holes on the side where the sand had washed away.